Hi everyone, thanks for your time watching this presentation for project ideas that I created for Business Intelligence course at Marquette University, October 2020. So I came across three different ideas. The first idea, which is most likely I would like to go with that one, is planning for reopening the cinemas after pandemic. As most of you know, during the pandemic, cinema industry hit it badly, and they mostly lose all of their viewer and customers. So it's very important that they carefully plan for reopening and try to safely attract more and more viewer. Using the most favorite genre of the movie could help cinemas to make sure this transition would go smoothly and less riskier, and make also the people more excited, of course, to go back to the theaters. This data set has been gathered between 1995 and 2019, and it's based on the rating of the people, and it's including different type of the information, including the movie name, genre, title, and much more information. So the outcome would be the visual charts that would show the genre of movies that has the highest ranking, and also using them we would be able to potentially generate more revenues for cinemas and less risky planning for reopening the cinemas. The challenges that we might have here is, first of all, those movies are belong to multiple genres. So finding uh, the most favorite genre could be challenging. And also data comes in a multiple files, and it had to be consolidated before use. And also the third challenge is still people are afraid of uh, uh, COVID-19, and even with having the best movie available in cinema, it doesn't mean that they might go back to the cinema very soon. Going to the next idea, we are talking about the marketing for airline safety application. So with comparing the number of the seats available for the uh, with the number of accidents and fatality of the airlines, we would be able to show and present which airlines are worse in the safety, and those airlines could potentially be a good candidate for selling the airline safety application. This information gathered on two period of times during 1985 to 99, and also 2000 to 2014, and present incidents, fatalities, and the number of seats and kilometers per week for each airlines. I'm expecting to get a visual chart that shows the safer airlines, and also prove that which airline has the better control in place that uh, avoid incidents and fatalities, and eventually finding the market for selling airline safety application. The challenges here are those airlines with the less incidents in the past are really safer, and also uh, are the safer airlines, less safer airlines, willing to invest and buy the airline safety application. So let's go to the next idea. The last idea is for finding market for alcohol drinks. So with comparing the consumption of alcohol on different countries, we would be able to find out which country is a good candidate to sell the alcohol drinks. This data set has been gathered on 2010, and it's based on the total number of beers, sprint, wine, and also liters of alcohol for per person on those countries. I am expecting to present a visual chart that shows the top countries for each type of alcohol, and based on that, find the good market, good candidate, countries candidate to market those type of alcohol drinks. But the challenges here are the people still have the same passionate about the alcohol consumption after 2010, because this data has been gathered on 2010. Also, are these countries mostly consuming local alcoholic products or the one that are being imported? So of course, if they are more prone to use their local products, it's hard to export any drinks over there and find a market there. That was my presentation. Thank you and have a great day.